Hello and welcome back to my channel. And if it's your first time watching, where have you been? No, but in all seriousness, welcome and thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy. So today is the day we've all been waiting for. I say all, I mean me. It's pig day. So we're going to fetch them this morning. I'm super excited and I thought I'd bring you along for the journey. So come on. We're here. Hello, darling. Hello, sweetie. Oh my God, they're beautiful. Oh, she's beautiful. Hello.
So I think it's nice in the school holding the kids will have them so they look different.
Hello. Hello. She's looking right at the camera. Hello.
Turn left.
Oops.
Was he heavy? I know that.
Heavy. I know, I'll come here to pick him up.
Heavy, massive.
So we've chose the two pigs, two girls. There was 9 available, and if it was solely down to me, all 9 of them would currently be sat in the back of the car. But unfortunately, it's not. And my brother said we were only allowed 2. So the plan was to come and pick 2 different colours, so it's easier to tell them apart. Obviously, me being me, fell in love with 2 virtually identical twins. So all we've got to do now is decide on names. We've got a few in mind. Thelma and Louise, Patty and Selma, and we've mentioned a few others. So that's our next decision we've got to make. And let's try and see if you can see them. They're both asleep at the moment. So the big dog crate wouldn't fit in the car, so we've had to have 2 smaller dog crates. So they're in 2 separate pens. So that's one girl. Hello, sweetheart. And I'll take you around to go and see the other one now. They're only 8 weeks old. And the reason I wanted all of them is because I know their fate. So other people would have them to then rear for 6 months and then obviously slaughter them for their meat. I just don't know how they do it. I just couldn't do it. So I've come away with a heavy heart. But that's me for you. Let's go and see the others. Hello, sweetheart. Hello. We're nearly home now. Nearly home. Hello. Oh, they're just adorable. Come on, girls. Come on, yeah. Come on, then. Come on. Come on. That's it. Wow. It's all new. She's sleeping, that's why.
Do you want to come out? This is all right now.
Hello. Bit unsure. That's my finger. Cheeky girl. Whee! You smiling? You handsome boy. Who's a handsome boy? Who's a handsome boy? Oh, I love you, Pee-Pee. I love you. Well, I wish all the boys smiled like that after I kissed them. It's a couple of hours since they got home. So I'm just about to see what they're up to. And see if they'll come for a custard cream. Who doesn't like a custard cream? Apparently, they have one every morning. So I'm going to continue with that tradition. It might not be healthy, but let's go and see where they are. Girls! Hello! Hello! You alright? How you been? What you been doing? Oh, hello. Hello, cheeky monkeys. You alright? Oh. Oi, 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 oi. Well, they like the microphone. Hello. Hello. Oi. Hello. They're nice. Come on, sweetheart. What do you want your names to be? They're nice. Hello. It's 2:30 in the morning and I couldn't sleep. I've just been constantly up, worried about the pigs. It's their first night away from their mums. And just the thought of that, it got me. So I've come out to spend the night with them. And I hadn't, can you hear them? I had nothing to worry about because they was fast asleep. So I sit up. I got Vera, bottle of hot water, and my crochet, and my electric blanket. That's not plugged in. So I'm here for the night, and so far I'm enjoying myself. Why did I go so high then? So far I'm enjoying myself. So I'll see you in the morning. It's just come to my head that Tom always says I go high pitched when I'm lying. But I promise you, I actually am enjoying myself. I forgot to also say, we've decided on the names. Selma and Patsy. So, yeah. And I think it suits them down to a T. Doesn't it, girls? Doesn't it? Oh. How could I not come outside and sit with them? I do this with all the animals. I panic about them all the time, and it always turns out they're absolutely fine. I wouldn't be human if I didn't. See you in the morning. So I've made it to morning. They didn't wake up once, so I didn't need to do this. But I can rest easy at night now, knowing they're okay. The alpacas are staring at me. I'm not sure if you can see them. Right, Archibald. Good morning. And the girls are still asleep. They don't have any issue sleeping. And I never knew pigs could snore. That's my alarm to start the animals. Yes, I know. So I better go and make a start on them. Get a farm, they said. It'd be lovely, they said. I'm joking, I love it. So, I'm going to call it a day for this week's vlog. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. I haven't got no quote this week because the book is in my room. But I'll end with, don't let yesterday take too much of today. Love ya. See ya.